Namaskar, good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars and students, sportsmen and listeners, officials all around the world, those who are watching and listening. I welcome Saint Dr. Rakesh from USA. Today we are going to discuss a very important term, autobiography. What is an autobiography? How the autobiographer start writing autobiography. Autobiography is written by the autobiographer. We can write an autobiography of the role model. Who is our role model? We can select for writing an autobiography. An autobiography is the greatest part of our personality, which tells us how to spend the life. There are so many similarities come in the action, word, thought. By selecting the role model, by choosing the ideal personality, it tells us, it teaches us how to spend life. So today we are discussing very important personality. Everyone knows, but sometimes we forget him. His name is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi physically is not among us, but in every word, in air, fire, soil, sky, water, sound, light, that personality exists. Who was born in Gujarat, Porbandar, 2nd October 1869, and who was the greatest freedom fighter? A person who says simple living, high thinking. His lifestyle, his way of living was modest, very simple. But his notion, his ideas, his thoughts for the society, for the nation, really was at the height of mountain. Not at the mountain, but in the sky. So Mahatma Gandhi, who gave us sacrificial values of human life, who gave us morality, who provided us spirituality, he is the greatest, wonderful example of sacrificial personality. He sacrificed whole life for the freedom of our nation. As Gandhiji started his movements in 1914. As we study in the history and literature, Gandhiji completed his barrister from South Africa. He went in South Africa not only for completing his education, but practically, experimentally, he understood the whole nation, society, internally and externally. He started movement in South Africa where there was discrimination, where there was classification in the society. He went against the rulers. He went against the exploiters, where there was inhuman treatment, where there was exploitation, where there was injustice with the poor, with the black people. And he started fight from South Africa. But when Gandhiji came in India in 1914, firstly he started his movement for the welfare of workers. Welfare means he fought against capitalist and industrialist, because capitalist and industrialist persons were not giving salaries, wages to the employers, employees, workers, laborers. So Gandhiji started movement. He struggled against them in Bihar and Maharashtra, where there was the industries, cotton industries. There Gandhiji started movement. He was very instrumental. He was very multi-dimensional, multi-sided,